Yan, so welcome for our today's lesson, no? So tapos na tayo with the geometric applications of definite integrals. So let's jump into some of the physical applications of definite integrals. Uh, Medyo marami kasi yung physical applications of definite integrals. So iisa-isahin na lang natin siya, no? Let's start with centroids. No, so when we say centroids, ano ba yung centroids? This is defined as the location of the center of mass on a plane region. Ibig sabihin, yung concentration of mass nung ang tawag dito, nung plane natin, for example, kung meron kang cardboard, no, hahanapin mo kung nasaan yung concentration nung kung saan pwede mo siyang ibalanse ng isang daliri lang, no. Ayan, centroids yung ginagamit natin doon. Okay? So formula of getting the coordinates of the centroids, kasi remember it is a location, no. It is a point in the plane, no. So we have the area, no, yung alam natin na area. The integral of f of x dx evaluated from a to b, no. Then for the x coordinate of the centroid, represented by x bar, no, we have 1 over a multiplied to the integral of x f of x dx from a to b. And for the y coordinate naman, represented by y bar, it is equivalent to 1 over a integral of 1/2 f of x quantity squared dx from a to b. Then kunin natin yung values ng x and y, i-represent lang natin as coordinate, as points, no? So we will get the points of the centroid. Okay? So yan, ito yung mga gagamitin natin. Okay, so first, ito, no, dito tayo sa ating first problem, no. Find the centroid of the quarter circle, no? Quarter circle yan. From 0 to 1, no? Of y is equal to 1 minus x squared. Okay, so ganun pa rin, just like with the previous lessons, no. Kapag kay x tayo nag-i-integrate, make sure na kay x yung mga coordinates natin, no, yung mga boundaries natin, or else mamamali yung sagot natin. Okay? So sige, let's evaluate this one, no. So medyo straightforward na to. Alam natin ang boundaries is from 0 to 1. Diba? So let's get the area. So we have the integral from 0 to 1 nung f of x natin, which is 1 minus x squared dx. Diba? So we have x minus x cubed over 3 evaluated from 0 to 1. Tapos substitute lang natin, diba? So we have 1 minus 1 cubed over 3 minus 0, no? Ayan. So, pag substitute naman natin kasi 0 naman yung lalabas. Diba? So, we have 2/3. No, 2/3. Ayan. Yan yung area natin. Okay, so let's find the coordinates of the centroid. So, we have x bar is equivalent to 1 over a multiplied to the integral from a to b ng x multiplied dun sa ating function 1 minus x squared dx. Now, ano yung gagamitin nating a and b dito? So, obviously, yung same coordinates, no, from 0 to 1. So, didistribute lang natin, no, yung x. By the way, 1 over a is just the reciprocal of a. So, 2/3 yung a natin, so we have 3 over 2. Okay, then we have x minus x cubed dx. So we have 3 over 2 multiplied 2. Okay, integrate natin. X is x squared over 2 minus x to the 4th over 2. Over 4, sorry. Evaluated from 0 to 1. Diba? So we have 3 halves, 1/2 minus 1/4. Diba? Minus 0. Diba? Kasi 0 yung lower boundary natin. So, di ko na siya ilalagay, no? So, therefore, we have 1/2 minus 1/4 is 1/4 times 3 over 2. That is equal to 3 over 8. Diba? Ayan. So, 3 over 8 yung x bar natin, no? So, let's jump dun sa y bar naman. No, for the y coordinate naman. So we have y bar is equal to 1 over a pa rin. From 0 to 1 ng 1 half 1 minus x squared, quantity squared dx. Okay, so we have 3 over 2 integral from 0 to 1. 1 half times, expand lang natin to. So we have 1 minus 2x squared plus 4x squared. Plus 4 plus x to the fourth pala, sorry. dx. So we have 3 over 4. No, let's get the integral of the polynomial. So we have x minus 2x cubed over 3 plus x to the fifth over 5. Diba? Evaluated from 0 to 1. Okay? So therefore we have so we have 3/4 times 1 minus 2 over 3 plus 1 over 5. Minus 0, no? Kasi 0 minus 0 plus 0 is still 0. So, hindi naman niya maapektuhan directly yung ating function. Okay, so we have 3 over 4. Tapos since 15 yung ating GCF, so we have 15 minus 10 plus 3 over 15. GCF tuloy. LCD pala. This common denominator. No? So, cancel. This will give us 5. Tapos 15 minus 10 is 5 plus 3 is 8, no? Yan. So since this is 8, tapos may 4 tayo dito, so 2 na lang dito, no? So therefore our answer is 2 over 5. So therefore the coordinates of the centroid is 3 over 8 at saka 2 over 5. Okay? Ayan. So, yun. Ganun lang siya, no? That's how we get the centroid of the function, no? So, ayan. Okay? So, that's for, one curve, no? Centroid of a plane region. Paano kung between two curves, no? Meron tayong formula for two curves, no, ng centroids. Bigay ko dito. Of area between two curves. And centroid of area. Ayan. So, again, yung area natin is still the same. The integral from a to b ng f of x minus g of x, no? Kung ano yung nasa, since we are dealing with x-axis, right minus left, no? dx. Then for, for x bar, so, papalitan lang natin yung f of x ng f of x minus g of x. So, we have 1 over a, integral from a to b ng x times f of x minus g of x. Then, for y naman, ganun din. From a to b ng 1 half times f of x squared minus g of x squared, no? So, parehas nyo muna siyang i-square dx. Okay, so yan yung gagamitin nating formula for two regions. Okay, so for example, so we have number 2, no? So find the centroid of the area under y is equal to x squared from x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. So hindi pa two curves, no? one curve pa lang to, but meron na tayong boundary, no, nakaset. So let me just graph first. So yung ating ano, no, parabola to, na pag ganito yung shape niya. Ayan. Then we have from 2, no, let's say this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. So from here to here, no? Ayan. So, yung shaded, ayan. Kailangan natin mahanap nasaan dito yung centroid, no? Nung plane natin. So, for the area, we have, again, ano, from 2 to 4, no? Kasi yun yung boundary set ng x squared dx. So, we have x cubed over 3, evaluated from 2 to 4. So, therefore, we have 4 cubed over 3 minus 2 cubed over 3. Which will give us the area is equivalent to, that is 56 over 3. No? So, 4 cube is 4, 16, 64 minus 8. No? 64 minus 8 is 56 over 3. Okay, so we have for x. So, we have 3 over 56. Integral from 2 to 4 ng x times x squared squared. Diba? Sorry. X f of x lang pala. Sorry. Dx. Okay, so we have 3 over 56. Integral from 2 to 4. Ano na natin, no? Pagsamahin na natin, this will just be x cube. So the derivative, rather the integral of x cube is x to the 4th over 4. So times x to the 4th over 4 evaluated from 2 to 4. So therefore we have 3 over 56 times 4 to the 4th over 4 minus 2 to the 4th over 4. No, so magiging 3 na lang to. Tapos ito ay, so this is 2 over 2, 'di ba? So magiging 2 na lang to. Ayan. Okay, so therefore we have 3 over 56 times, that is 4 cubed, so that is 64 minus 4. Diba? That is 64 minus 4, so that is 60, no? So that is 3 times 60 over 56. So this is 30 divided by 2. This is 28. So 15 over 14. So we have 15 over 14. So therefore, our x is equal to 45 over 14. Ito yung coordinate ng ating x, no? So it is somewhere in 3, no? Am I right? Double check ko sorry, that is 3.21, no? So medyo near sa 3. So let's go with y. Y bar is equal to 3 over 56. Ganun lang pag-check, guys, no? So dapat hindi siya lalampas sa 4 at sa 2 dun sa boundaries. Kasi pag lumampas, matik mali yun. Centroids nga, ibig sabihin nasa loob siya ng area. Okay? So we have 2 to 4 ng 1/2 times x squared squared dx. No, so we have 3 over 56 times 1/2 times the integral from 2 to 4 ng x to the 4th dx. So therefore, we have 3 over 56 times 1 half times x to the 5th over 2, over 5, evaluated from 2 to 4. Diba? So we have, this is 3 over 56 times 2 is 112 times 4 to the 5th over 5 minus 2 to the 5th over 5. Diba? So therefore, y rather is equal to, y is equal to 186 over 35. No? So we have, yeah, that is, yeah, that is 62 over 7 times 3 over 5. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so this is y bar. This is x bar. So therefore, the centroid, no, ang centroid ng ating plane is 45 over 14 and 186 over 35. Ayan. Okay, so this is our answer. Yung kanina, hindi ko ata na-underline. Ayun, na-underline ko. Okay? So, ayun, that's how we do the centroids, no? Doon tayo sa ano natin, no? Dito, sa area between two curves natin. So, para matry natin, no? Number 3. So, we have find the centroid of the area bounded by y is equal to 4x minus x squared and x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, so we are integrating in terms of x, walang issue doon. So let's plot, no? Para makita natin yung itsura ng plane natin, no? So for y is equal to, ito muna tayo, y is equal to 4x minus x squared. So that is, so we have, pinaplot ko lang, no? Oops. Ayan. So, parabolic siya, no? Ayan. Then, yung ating, ito, yung x plus y is equal to 4 is actually a straight line. Oops. Ayan. No? So, yung ating bounded region is this one. Okay, hahanapin natin dito. Dapat nandyan sa loob ng area na yan yung centroid natin. Okay, so for the area, no, so we need to, by the way, before we go with the area, we need to find the intersections first. No? For the intersections, so we will equate, no, yung dalawa nating y. This equation can be expressed as y is equal to 4 minus x. So ito yung gagawin natin. So we have 4x minus x squared is equal to 4 minus x. Tapos lipat lang natin lahat sa kabila. No, so we have, or kahit ito, no, yung 4x minus x squared para maging positive yung x squared natin. So we have x squared, that is minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. No? So, this is a perfect square triangle. Hindi naman siya perfect square, pero factorable to. Diba? So, we have x minus 4 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. Diba? So, we have, therefore, x is equal to 4 and x is equal to positive 1. No? So, ito yun. 1, oops, laki. 1 plus 4. No? So, hindi naman na natin kailangan kunin yung y, pero kung halimbawa gusto niyo makuha yung coordinates ng y, no? So pwede naman. Pero hindi ko na siya kukunin kasi hindi naman natin siya kailangan for the problem, no? So unless you want to try it using y, no? The functions in y. So you need to get, no? Ayan. So we have area. So we have the area is equal to ito na lang sa baba. The integral from 1 to 4 ng yung ano tayo, no? Yung 4x squared yung nasa taas, yung 4x squared, 4x minus x squared. Then minus yung isa, no? Kasi yun yung nasa baba. So that is 4 minus x, no? 4 minus x minus 4 plus x, no? Kasi dinistribute ko na, no? Kaya siya naging plus x. Para wala na masyadong maraming grouping. Dx. Tapos actually, no, kung mapapansin niyo, ito din yan. Yung x squared minus 5x plus 4. Diba? So, ano lang, magkakaroon lang siya ng negative, no? Pero it's okay, no? Ayan. So, we have tawag dito. We have negative x squared. Unahin ko lang na decreasing exponents. So, plus 5x minus 4 dx. Okay? So, we have negative x cubed over 3 plus 5x squared over 2 minus 4x evaluated from 1 to 4. No? Tapos substitute lang natin. So, we have negative 4 cubed over 3 plus 5 times 4 squared over 2 minus 4 times 4. Diba? So, therefore, we have, ayan, ang sagot natin dito is 9 over 2. So, the area is 9 over 2. No? Ayan. So, let's get the centroid, no? So, yun naman yung after natin eh. So, lagay ko lang dito, area is equal to 9 over 2. Ayan. So, therefore, centroid is equal to 2 over 9. No? Multiplied to the integral from 1 to 4. Diba? From 1 to 4 ng ito, yung minus natin, no? So, we have x times, ito, yung x, negative x squared plus 5x plus 4. Minus 4, no? So, x times negative x squared plus 5x minus 4 dx. Okay? So, we have 2 over 9 times, this will become negative x, x to the 4th, no? Over 4. So, this will become x squared. So, plus 1, that is 3. Dinistribute ko na ha. Ayan. So, lalabas dito is negative x cubed plus 5x squared minus 4x. Ayan. Kaya ito yung mga lumalabas na integrals natin. So, we have plus 5x cubed over 3 then minus 2x squared. Bakit siya naging 2x? Negative 2x squared. So, initially, that is 4x squared over 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. No? So, kaya siya ganyan. Evaluated from 1 to 4. Okay? So, substitute lang natin. So, therefore, we have 2 over 9. No? 2 over 9 times negative 4 to the 4th over 4 plus 5 to the 4th cube. 5 times 4 cube over 3. Ayan. minus 2 times 4 squared. Okay, minus, no? Lahat na to, 1 lang naman eh. So we have negative 1/4 plus 5 over 3 minus 2. Yeah. So we will have ang ating x bar is equal to, so this is equivalent to 5 over 2. No, yun yung x natin. For y, no, para naman dun sa y. So y bar is equal to, that is 2 over 9, no? Multiply to the integral from 1 to 4, sorry. Ng 1/2 times yung pinag-minus natin kanina, so that is ito, negative x squared plus 5x plus 4 squared. Sorry. Not squared. Mali. We need to get, ito yung common mistake. Ayan, pati ako na, ano ko. Yung pinag-minus, kailangan i-square nyo muna bago nyo sila i-minus. No? So, common mistake to. Ayan, so, sorry. Ayan, so we have, ano yung pinag-minus natin? Ito. Tsaka to, di ba? So, we have 4x minus x squared, quantity squared. Ayan. Sorry. 4x minus saan ako? Ayan, 4x minus x squared quantity squared minus yung isa. Diba? That is 4 minus x. Oops. Ayan. No? So, dapat ganyan siya. No? Hindi yung kanina. Okay? So, we have 1 over 9, no? Lalabas ko na yung 1/2 pero makakancel yung 2. Diba? So, ito. Ayan. Then, the integral from 1 to 4 ng, so this will become 16x squared minus 8x cubed plus x to the 4th minus 16 minus 8x plus x squared dx. Diba? So we have 1 over 9 multiplied to the integral from 1 to 4 ng 1 to 4 ng ito tayo, no? Decreasing power natin, ayusin natin decreasing power. So we have x to the 4th minus 8x cubed. So we have 16x squared minus x squared, so that is positive 15x squared. Tapos x natin magiging positive 8x, then minus 16. So mas madali na siyang i-integrate ngayon, no? Ayan. So therefore we have 1 over 9 x to the 5th over 5 minus 2x to the 4th, no? That is 8x to the 4th over 4. Then plus 5x cubed. That is 15x cubed over 3. Then plus 4x squared. So that is 8x squared over 2. Then minus 16x. Okay, evaluated from 1 to 4. So you can pause this video, no? Ayan, you try it on your own on the evaluation. So therefore we have our y bar is equivalent to 12 over 5. No? So therefore our centroid, no? is, ito ko nalalagay no, sa may area. So the centroid, the coordinate of the centroid is 5/2 and 12/5. Yan. Okay, so that's it. That is for the physical application of definite integrals in centroids. No, I hope you guys learned something. Okay, so we will jump into the harder topics of definite integrals, no, in the coming lesson. So stay safe and God bless.